ride his wave, same way you can't ride a whole tsunami. Hustle and timing about the only thing you need to get some money. Homie skating through his life cause he wasn't grinding. Brody saying he up next, but he stuck behind me. Looking in my rearview mirror, I can see a ruffled diamond. Don't see no shining though, he must be lying. Talking about his bullets, but it's fake. Guess it's touchy timing, wipe the fucking smirk off my haters. Y'all too broke to smile around me. Style bend the time and pull the style out me. Now MMA, the FBI, they got a file on me. Bullet shells, rubber bands, I got a pile on me. Send them to the ER, they wishing it was VR. The way I put them in the grave and don't care about the PR. If they don't like me, it's nothing new, we know who we are. Call the ambulance and send that boy into the DR. I'm a hellraiser and a trailblazer. Stop sipping that because it turned me to a snail pacer. In middle school you was a bully and an L-raiser. Then you peaked in high school and quit because it felt safer. I took calculus and calculated my own repertoire. If I'm high at all, it's only cause that's where I set the bar. You and your homies wanted beef, you pulling up. I got 4 9s pointed at 2 different jokers like a deck of cards. Homie, take a breath, you just a stepping stone, and I don't care where I step. We left him missing teeth, man, they thought he taking meth. This drama give me life, I'ma do it to my death. I'ma do it to myself.
Winners, it is that time. Winners, winners,